I got another good one for you. I do. I got another good one for you. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is none other than a DIY creation that you and I are gonna make together, and we are going to be creative. And guess what? It is easy to do. So in today's video, we are creating a DIY tie or belt holder. I don't know about you, but if you are a woman or just someone out there who has a lot of pants or skirts that comes with belt attached to it, how in the heck do you hang this stuff up? I'm always trying to find ways to hide the belt. I'll wrap it around the hanger top. I'll wrap it around and tie it around the garment. And it just doesn't look the way I want it to look. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this easy item that attaches to your hanger. With this, you'll be able to hang your ties or your detached belts, and most importantly, those attached annoying belts. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
And here are the materials you will need. And here are the additional items you will need. The most important item in this DIY is this bad boy. I got this from the dry cleaners and wanted to recreate it, but with my own twist. I will provide you with a template in the description box below. First things first, lay out your fabric, but instead of laying it out flat, fold it so when you cut the fabric, you end up making more holders. Once that's done, place your template on top. If your fabric is wrinkled, it's probably best you run an iron through it now. I ended up ironing my fabric after cutting, and it just took more time. Once you're okay with the placement of your template, trace it. Depending on how many you want to create, I suggest tracing it about 3 to 4 times. Once you're done tracing, smooth out your fabric, and now it's time to cut. Because of the additional process it will take to create these holders, there's no need to cut perfectly. Trust me, you can fix it later. Once you have all your desired pieces, it's now time to walk over to the kitchen. Now it's time to create the glue mixture. This glue mixture will make the fabric stiff, and the stiffness is what will help hold your ties and belts. But before we focus on this part, let's preheat our oven to 175. By the time you're done mixing and spreading, it'll be time to place your holders in the oven. Now back to the glue. You will mix equal parts glue and water. Because I'll be making a lot of these holders, I mixed about 1/3 cup glue and water, and I still had a lot of mixture left when I was done. Mix, mix, mix. This is what you want the consistency to look like. Next, put down a piece of foil or old paper. This is where you will place your wet pieces. Put your pieces on the foil. Now dip your brush in your glue mixture and paint your fabric. This process can get a bit messy, but if you're someone who doesn't like the feeling of glue being on your fingers, go on and throw on some gloves. Before this dries, take your cookie sheet out and cover it with a new piece of foil and either oil or spray the foil. You want to make sure it's well coated because we don't want our fabric to stick. Place your fabric on the cookie sheet and leave about 1 centimeter in between them. Once that's done, place them in the preheated oven. Wait 30 minutes and it's ready. Take your cookie sheet out and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Once it's cool, take the fabric off and feel the difference. It's now stiff and smooth. Now it's time to make the holders. If you use the fabric that frays, like this linen fabric, take your scissors and cut away. It's easy to cut it now than before the glue. At this point, you can even change the shape of your holder if you want. Once your holder is in its desired shape, you can either take your template and trace out the slits, or you can take a straight edge like I'm doing and trace the number of openings you want in your holder. Because these holders are not as thick as the cardboard one that I have, I'd suggest cutting 1 to 2 slits. This will help keep either your tie or belt, especially those heavier ones, in place. Last but not least, cut out the opening area where your hanger will sit. Again, you can either trace out this area using your template, or you can bend your holder and cut whatever shape you like at the top. My cutout is the same shape as an isosceles trapezoid, just like the template. Once you finish cutting, that's it. You are now done. You've just created a simple and multifunctional DIY organizing product that will make organizing your closet fun. And here is how you can use it.
So, what you think? I told you it was easy. And yes, if you do end up using the oven, it will take you a little longer. But if you don't and you use either the plastic or the cardboard option, then you're fine. Then you're good. It will only take you about 5 to 10 minutes. So let me know in the comment section below if you will be creating this. And if you do, please send me a photo and share it with me on my Instagram account at Rescue My Space. I love to see your designs, your creation, and I would love to see how creative you guys get. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.